Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. The only reason why it says Deluxe Fidget Fun is because I got a fidget pack for my birthday, but I put my slimes in here. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys. So first one we have is Super Good Fun. It is pretty pink. This one I added glitter. It's kind of messed up, but like it's still stretchy and it still feels good. It doesn't stick to your hands at all. So let's go on. Next we have Unicorn Surprise with surprise inside, and it has little beads inside. And this one I got from my friend. It is overactivated really bad. Let's go on to the next one. This one was Lovely Lavender, but I put a different slime in it because the other one wasn't good. It has these beads, and it's a peach slime with sequin. Let's go on to the next one. Last slime, it's really stretchy. It was really quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.